This is Easy Qazaq, and I'm reading Qazaq Idioms.
Now we have butted in my mouth.
I don't even understand this.
That's a question for the ancestors.
I'm just guessing. It's really difficult. Did I guess?
Қазақтар сияқты ойлағың келсе, онда бұл эпизод саған арналады. Біз бұл эпизодта қазақша идиомдарды ағылшыншаға сөзбе-сөз аудардық, ал Easy Languages-тегі достарымыз олардың мағынасын табуға тырысты. Ал ендеше не шыққанын бірге көрейік. Кеттік.
My name is Chris, and I'm from the United States.
I am Pauline from Germany.
Hello, my name is Michael. I'm an English student from Vienna.
I am Matteo and I'm Italian.
I'm Souroush and I'm from Iran.
My name is Leandro. I'm from Brazil, and I am the host of Easy Portuguese.
My name is David. I am from Barcelona, from Spain, and I'm ready for the challenge.
Azinya Mai. Azinya Mai.
Aizina mai.
Asina Mai.
Aizina mai.
Aizinamei.
Auzinamai.
Aizina mai.
Butter to your mouth. I think a lot of people might think this is a good thing, like butter makes things taste good. Does that happen? Okay, I'm in the right direction. It's good news. It's like butter to your mouth.
I would assume that it means when you talk super smoothly. I don't know, there's something like the words are coming out of you, because butter like makes your mouth smooth.
I think we have a similar idiom in German. Honig ums Maul schmieren. Maybe it means something similar. To sweet talk someone.
So when you say something bad to someone and then they reply back, better to your mouth.
Butter to your mouth. Does it mean that it's like really good for you? Like perfect for you? Oh, made for you?
Sounds like fat. For me, it sounds like something unhealthy.
It means maybe to be very lucky.
Аузыңа май. Айтқаның келсін, бәрі қалағаныңдай сәтімен орындалсын деген тілек. Бұның толық нұсқасы аузыңа май, астыңа тай.
Eki Kuzi. Now I'm just pronouncing it German. Eki Kuzi tört bolu.
Eki kötsi tör bolu.
Eki Kuzi tört bolu.
Eki közi. Is it like German, like közi?
Yeah,
Eki közi tot bolu.
Eki kozi tort bolu.
Eki kozi tort bolu.
Eki kuzi tört bolu.
2 eyes become 4. I don't know, it sounds something like getting married or something. Like 2 hearts become 1, 2 eyes become 4. Wait, I have no idea.
So it's always when you partner up with someone, maybe even in work, like 2 eyes are better, or 2 pairs of eyes are better than 1. Or it could also maybe even be like in terms of relationship or something.
2 eyes become 4. To talk about a serious topic maybe, or to get more intimate maybe. That's the first 2 things that come to mind. In German we have the expression ein 4-Augen-Gespräch führen, like to talk about a serious topic in a duo. Yeah, maybe it would mean something similar. Or marriage maybe.
So when you look carefully to something, yeah. In Persian we say when we are, for example, you give me your laptop and you say, okay, can you just keep an eye on it? And I will say, I will keep an eye on it with 4 eyes.
So 2 eyes become 4 can be you are really looking for something, like so much that you are like looking with four eyes instead of two.
When you use glasses.
This one I know. It means that when two people look at a topic, then it's better. Let's say that we are two people organizing something, so it's better than one person.
Екі көзі төрт болу. Біреуді ұзақ күту, жолына қарай шаршау деген мағынаны білдіреді.
Yıldızı oynanan türü.
Judisi onyan chudi.
Yıldızı oninan tudi.
Yıldızı oninan tudi.
Hulzizinan tudi.
Julzi oninan tudi.
Yıldızı oynanan türü.
The star is born, right? Maybe like we're off to a good start.
When you have a great idea and it's just a good start or something. I don't know, the star is born right.
To be a bright person, maybe. To shine bright. I don't know. Shine bright like a star.
The star is born right. That you're like, you are lucky.
The star is. I have no idea. I can't guess. Can't guess.
I can imagine a star is born. Maybe now in Kazakh. In Brazil, we say that person has star. Yeah, it's like she's lucky. She normally has lucky when people doesn't have luck.
So that means that it's very promising, something? Lucky person. Yes?
Жұлдызы оңынан туды. Жолы болды, ісі сәтті болды деген мағынаны білдіреді. Қазақша тез үйреніп кетейін десең, онда аузыңа май. Қазақша үйренуге білек сыбана кірісетін уақыт келді. Біздің саған ұсынысымыз бар. Изи Қазақтың membership платформасы бар екенін есіңе саламыз. Бұл жерде әр шыққан видеоға сай оқу материалдарын дайындап қойдық, және бұны кез келген деңгейде үйренуге болады. members.easyqazakh.org сайтына кіріп, өзің сынап көре аласың, ал сілтемені осы видеоның астынан табасың. Қазақша үйрену жолыңда жұлдызың оңынан тусын.
Okay, last one. Köz tiu.
Köz tiu?
Köz tiu.
Köz tiu.
Köz tiu.
Castillo. Oh, so beautiful.
Köz tiu.
I mean, to touch with eye. I don't know, like, I'm only thinking about things with like seeing things and looking, like staring, or I think of like in our stores things say like, yeah, to touch with the eye, like look, don't touch.
To touch with eye. I don't know, when I'm focused on something.
To look at something but not touch it with your hands. To want it, but not being able to touch it, maybe.
Like to be very gentle and kind with someone. I don't know. I touch you with my eye.
I mean, touching something with the eye is weird, and it can hurt because, yeah.
Would you touch something with your eyes when you are a filmmaker or when you are artists? Because your eye, your point of view is very important for your work.
When you don't say anything but you look at someone, and with the eye you tell him or her something. Romantic. I always go for the romantic.
Көз тию. Біреуге ұзақ қарап, тесіле қарағанның нәтижесінде басқа адамға зиян келтіру. Қазақтар тіпті адам ауырған кезде оған көз тиді деп айтады.
I think in English they give them the eye or something like this. And okay, so when someone looks bad at me or negatively, I mean, okay.
We have a similar thing that is like malocchio, that is like literally bad eye.
We use it like to hit with eye. To hit with eye. To hit, you can see the negativity, but to touching is like very gentle. Yeah.
We have this in Brazil, but we said something like fat eyes. It's when you look something and you desire.
Wenn Blicke töten könnten. If eyes could kill, basically. If
Two eyes become four. Ekikozitor bolo. Ekikozitor bolo. Yeah. Now 4 eyes, 8 eyes. That's it.
Сонымен қазақша қай идиом саған ең қызық көрінді, ал қайсысы тіпті миға қонбайды? Сол жайлы пікіріңді біз білгіміз келеді. Ол үшін осы видеоның астына коммент қалдырып кет. Ал бұл видеоның екінші жартысы бар. Оны жуырда шығарамыз. Сондықтан келесі кездескенше сау бол.
Kabarzan qua kar jaude. It's snowing from eyelids.
at isn't somehow. A horse doesn't leave a trace.
Qazaq But.
8 idioms in and I'm perfect with my pronunciation.